Alright, at the car wash. Always wanted to videotape the car wash for some reason, so here's my opportunity. First with these guys, they're like, come on, with their hand gestures and stuff. And then the actual washing of the car. I'll play some music over the actual car wash if I can figure out how to do it, instead of you listening to me ramble. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till that car moves up a little. There you go. Kick it with your foot. There you go. There it is. There you is. There you is. Now I can come forward. Turn left. Hit the potion, hit the three-wheel motion. Hands up. Hands up. All right, here we go. Shut my mouth. There it is. Man, it was hard for me to stay quiet that long. All right, car wash in the books.